Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and in tech news, Samsung pushed out OneUI 5.1 to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra users. Because, see, the latest generation of the Samsung device is the S23 Ultra. You'd think that they'd only push out the latest software updates to the latest devices, but no, that's not the case. The reason I wanted to do this video is because as I was just recording other videos live on live.perillo.com, or at least streaming me recording them live, and you could have watched behind the scenes at live.perillo.com. We have people playing video games, working with software on the desktop, generally geeking out 24/7, typically talking tech. You remember live.perillo.com. We'll see you later. No, I'm not done yet. So I was going on about the Pixel, and the Hugo doll he directly said, yeah, but how many Android manufacturers support their devices 6 to 12 months after their release? And I said, yeah, it's Samsung. And he was kind of, I think he was shocked. Hugo was shocked. But this is the thing I wanted to talk about. Like, if the last experience you had with the Samsung was like 5 years ago, you owe it to yourself to look at a Samsung device. I'm not joking. Like, even if you say, oh, I tried it once and it was horrible. You know what? I tried it once and it was horrible too. I mean, I remember trying Android when it was horrible, like years ago. I mean, back when it was like brand new, and people said, oh, this HTC device is going to be an iPhone killer. And I tried it, and I remember getting raked across the coals. That video, I think, still exists too. I was trying, I'm like, what's up with all the lag? This is horrible. It's designed like, ugh. It was just bad. It was not good. Not even by yesterday's standards was it good. It was just not good, period. So Samsung has changed. If you've not looked at it, let's just say in the past 2 years, okay? And that's being relatively conservative here. They have rolled out a better experience than what you might have seen before. Samsung, I believe, I'm going to go on record. Samsung, I believe, groks Android better than Google does. Samsung handles product better than Google does. To this end, they just rolled out OneUI 5.1, which is the OneUI experience. That's, their interface for Android. Used to be a TouchWiz. That's been sunset. OneUI, radically different. So OneUI 5.1 rolled out with the S23 Ultra. They just rolled out the OneUI 5.1 update for the S22 Ultra as well. And every modern device from Samsung gets 4 years of operating system updates from Samsung. 4 years. So the idea that that most, I can't speak for most. I want to talk about Samsung. If you've not looked at Samsung, look at it. 4 years of operating system updates on a device. Now me, it's irrelevant because I hold on to a device for 1 year and then I'm ready for the next flagship. That's me. I'm looking for, speed bumps, spec bumps. I'll say that, spec bumps, camera improvements, on down the line, battery improvements for sure. So 4 years, that rivals Google in terms of Pixel support. So if you've not looked at Samsung, do it. Like, okay. And I'm saying this as someone who haven't seen the light or anything, but like, I was really reluctant to move from a Pixel experience that I've been accustomed to for years to Samsung because I knew of the Samsung bloat and just the additional software and the way that Samsung did things. And I just wasn't sure because the last Samsung experience that I had wasn't all that good. And don't get me wrong, Samsung still hasn't figured everything out. There's some kludginess that still happens in Samsung software, and quite honestly, the replication of default apps, no, Samsung, bad. Where's my newspaper? I don't have a newspaper. You're just kidding. Bad Samsung, bad. No, don't do it. But if you could look past some of those stumbling blocks and in many ways mitigate some of those stumbling blocks, like hiding default apps, using the apps that you want to use. You can set defaults really easily on Android. You can use something like Good Lock to further tweak the experience to your liking. When you start unlocking the power of what Samsung has provided, that's when you start to realize, oh, Samsung is actually providing a best-in-class Android experience.